Edge. This summer, certain Michigan cities might start to feel a bit like New Orleans since our state approved social districts. They allow people to buy alcoholic beverages at certain bars and restaurants and then drink them while walking down the street or socializing in public areas. Local attorney Bryan Waldman has more on why you're going to need to be careful, though, and stay in those zones.
With the restrictions that were put in place for businesses to prevent the spread of COVID-19, bars and restaurants obviously took a big hit. And so the legislature decided that they were going to make some revisions to the Michigan Liquor Control Act to try and give a boost to, in particular, bars and restaurants. And one of those things was to allow, for the potential at least, for these social districts or common zones where people can consume alcohol outside.
So how does it work? Is a social district designed or set up?
State law just says that a local government, like the city of Lansing, city of Grand Rapids, city of Jackson, can designate or create certain social districts. And if your business, if you're a liquor license holder, someone who sells liquor, and you're in that district, you can apply to the Liquor Control Commission for a special license that lets you participate in that social district to sell alcohol to be taken out into these common areas.
So in practice, how will these districts work?
You'll be able to purchase alcohol from a bar or restaurant. It'll come in a special type of container. It can't be any bigger than 16 ounces. It can't be glass. And it has to have a designation that shows both the social district that it's restricted to and the bar or restaurant facility that you bought the beverage from. And then you can leave, you can go outside, but you can't leave the designated social district, and the city has to mark off very clearly where it begins and where it ends. And you can stay outside, hang out, walk around, but you can't also, not only can you not leave the district, you can't take that drink or beverage into another bar or restaurant establishment, even if it's another one that's participating within the social district.
So aside from creating these social districts, the laws about open intoxicants in public still apply then?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's what people need to be careful of. There is no state law about open intoxicants unless you're in an automobile. But most local ordinances will apply, or most cities have local ordinances. For example, the city of Lansing has really an absolute bar on open alcoholic beverages in public places, sidewalks, parking lots, streets, and even private parking lots. So you need to be careful because the fines and penalties can be significant.